All right, guys, so check it out. Today, we're over here in Orange County, North Carolina. I'm going to be taking you through the Heartland 1. The Heartland 1 is one of our most popular 3-bedroom plans, 3-bed, 2-bath, right at 1,548 total square feet. It's a very versatile plan. It can be converted into a 4-bedroom plan. That is shown on our website when you go to the Heartland 1, but the original layout is going to be what you see today. Good old 3-bed, 2-bath with a really nice side-loading utility room. Now with the Heartland 1, 2, 3, whatever, it will consist of an optional front porch. So you're looking at like a 6x12 gable style front porch there. You could do a different style, bigger porch, smaller porch, save it for later, whatever, but we will go through all that. Notice how the porch is sitting on the full foundation to match the house. It does not have kind of the open pier under that porch. Showing you the side over here. Now, one good thing about the Heartlands is they all will come included with the 712 roof pitch. So we don't offer any plans with that 512, that flat roof line. It's always going to be the nice 712 pitch. Notice the black gutters and downspouts. Just sticking with the white trims today as far as your window trims and fascias and soffits. 4/1 grid pattern. Our windows do come with screens on them, so I don't know if you can tell in the video, but all the windows do have screens. The Heartland plans are, like I said, very versatile. You can make any of them have the upstairs, unfinished upstairs, or whatever. So let's get in here and check it out. Oh yeah. Wow. So, I mean, for 1,500 square feet, I mean, look at the space in this living room, kitchen, dining area. Just a really nice, big, open concept here. Again, this is the Heartland 1 at 1,548 square feet. Got your dining to the left, kitchen to the right. I'm going to spin back and look back at that living room there. You are seeing the 8-foot ceilings today. You can always option in the taller 9-foot if that's something you want to do. Notice they did include a ceiling fan. All the main space living rooms and bedrooms will come wired and braced for a fan, but the fan would be optional. Great example of our included crown molding, base molding, wall color, all that good stuff. So let's dive into the kitchen. They did stick with laminate tops today, so I mean, check that out. These are not granite or quartz. Look how sharp that is. Looks really good. Notice the farmhouse style sink. That is one of our optional sinks. Have many, many options, different colors, black, white, things like that. All right, so as far as the upgrades go in here, I would point out that sink, the backsplash. That is a great example of one of the included range hoods. And then you have your just insane walk-in pantry here. Check that out. Then you got your kind of appliance shelf or microwave shelf there because again, they stayed with one of the range hoods. You can mount that there if you would like. But man, what a pantry. All right, so let's go around here to the left and we're going to check out that primary suite. Included 2-panel doors, included hardware on those doors. Got the brushed nickel finish on everything today. You have seen the optional black a ton of times, so keep that in mind if that's something you want to do. Really good sized bedroom. I hate to keep saying that, but I mean, so far all these rooms have been very spacious. Walk-in closet. And then the master bath here. So this is an optional bathroom layout. This is the largest of the 3 showers that we offer. This is the 4x8 shower, okay? So I would say anytime you see these bigger showers, in general, they're always gonna be an upgrade. So you got the freestanding toilet here. If you go to the one size smaller, you can frame that out for a water closet or a toilet room, but because this shower is so big, it doesn't really allow you to have the toilet room, which, you know, some people don't care about. So 4x8 is really nice because you have that big built-in bench. Any size shower can have the flip down seat, but to have that big permanent bench It is only included in the 4x8 shower, included with the handheld on your right, the wand, and the rain head up top. So that space right there, really that wall is supposed to be here. But when you do that 4x8 shower, you kind of have this space here, so you actually gain that in the pantry. It's going to be huge regardless, but that's why this one was so overly, larger than some you've seen. So keep that in mind. And then let's go across this main space here. Off the dining, they did option in a sliding glass door. So a window is included there, and they actually put it in the utility room, which you'll see here in just a second. Bath 2. Rolled with the laminate tops throughout the entire plan. Nice solid bath 2. Bedroom 2. With the smaller Heartland plans like the Heartland 1, it would just be one window in the spare bedrooms. As you look into some of the bigger Heartland plans, these rooms are bigger and require the double windows. So just keep that in mind kind of as you're looking, and don't be confused. All right, and then the utility room. So you got another exterior door here, and that's going to open right up into this space. Washer and dryer on the right, plenty of space for a freezer. You could option in some different accessories in here, like the hall tree, pet shower, that type of thing, utility room sink. And notice how they did pay a little extra for the fold out ladder. Just the traditional scuttle hole where you kind of have to have an A-frame ladder and crawl up in the hole would be included. And then you can always add something like you just saw. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm going to drop down my email right here, shields@nccustommodulars.com. If you're interested or you know anybody interested in building their dream home, please get with me with that email right there. And I thank you for all the views and subscriptions, guys. Take care.